Trail with me, Shubhra Mukherjee. Come January, Lodi is the first festival that greets us. So this brings me to Gurgaon's epicenter, where I'm going to be a part of some amazing music, be among amazing people, and of course indulge into some authentic Punjabi delicacies. So come and join me. The sheer glow and warmth of the bonfire and the twinkle of lights in the evening welcomed the many enthused to celebrate Lodi with all their heart. As Gurgaon's epicenter geared up to provide a true blue taste of Lodi, their idea of a grand brew of folk music and good food seemed to suit the liking of many. The rising of such community initiatives aiming to celebrate every culture and festival has allowed people more flexibility and opportunity to involve and participate.
We celebrate all the festivals all year round to bring the whole community together. Children who are born and brought up in this age hardly know the festivals. They are more inclined to the mall culture, they are to the cinemas, and they are to the movie theaters. So when we celebrate events like this, we inculcate that family bonding, we inculcate that traditional bonding of being together with your maybe family or neighbors or particular society. So that was the whole idea.
Lodi is the much-awaited festival for the North Indians, especially Punjabis. It marks the end of the winter season and is celebrated on the winter solstice day. Thus, the bonfire is prepared to worship the sun god and to welcome the warmer and longer days. And to do so, the tadka of singing and dancing is traditional. Satnam Shakra and Sargam Senuja gave the people all the reasons to shake a leg and also newer meanings to celebrate Lodi.
लोहड़ी मेरे लिए एक एंजॉय करने का दिन है, डांस करने का दिन है, मस्ती करने का दिन है, खाना पीना, मिलना जुलना, अच्छे अच्छे कपड़े पहनना और एक दूसरे के साथ एक नया साल स्टार्ट करने का एक बहुत अच्छा तरीका है.
Lodi for me is a celebration on absolute winter with bonfire. I like that, with popcorn and mungfali, having that revdi, gajak. I love that area. Bonfire is the best thing.
Food is integral to all our festivals, and considering it is the time of Lodi, Punjabi cuisine is something to look forward to. As Lodi is also associated with the harvest of crops like rabi and sugarcane as the first produce of the year, food during Lodi is a mixture that offers the best seasonal variety.
Lodi is basically a harvest season when the farmers have just cut the crops and all the crops are ready with them, and now the new years have become and they have new food to eat now. The new crop has been cut and they have the new vegetables, be it a grain or the vegetables are there with them. So they thought of celebrating this event as a Lodi and plus the food.
With an amazing ambience to dine in, I began my ode to taste some good old-fashioned authentic Punjabi recipes. And the way I see it, the menu made of vegetarian and non-vegetarian both. Very happy. So to nibble on, there was the Amritsari Machi,
onion rings or प्याज के पकोड़े, and chicken popcorn.
Very tasty indeed. And as far as the chicken popcorn is concerned, Lodi obviously is about gajak and peanut and the very famous popcorn. So people love to consume these particular items during Lodi. So the chef has been inspired by the popcorn phenomena and has created chicken popcorn for the non-vegetarian people.
Food during Lodi is all about the fresh harvest. Thus, the sarson ka saag and makke ki roti is a must, a dish that is fit to be the preamble of Punjabi cuisine. Pulses prepared in the traditional way are also among the favorite dishes. And finally, Punjabi cuisine is only complete with the inclusion of chicken or mutton. Thus, dishes like keema chakundari with beetroot and dhabe ka kukkar were there to grace the taste buds.
Now when we talk about Lodi, it is predominantly a Punjabi festival. So no Punjabi festival goes without the mention of sarson ka saag and makke ki roti. And over here I've been served with the same delicacy. And I must say, this particular preparation of sarson ka saag is very nice, really very smooth. I get the raw flavor of sarson itself. Superb. Served non-vegetarian dishes as well, which is a chicken dhaba style preparation. Really very tasty, very buttery, overpowering flavors. Very nice.
Sugarcane is an important produce during the month of January. So what could have been a more apt ending than a seasonal dessert, the ganne ki kheer?
No festival is actually complete without the mention of a sweet dish. And when it comes to Lodi, sugarcane is an important harvest of the season. So over here I have been served a sugarcane kheer, ganne ka kheer. And I must say, this particular kheer has the texture and the right amount of creaminess of a kheer. And I must say, the flavor of sugarcane is really very nice, very mild, but then all in all, a very nice way to end my food trail. Well, as I am heading back to my sweet dish and actually listening to more of that amazing music, until the next time, it's over to you, Tina.